We are making an emergency run to get coffee creamer. The thing broke.
I was wondering what you were doing.
It just fell right off. Hey, what's going on, guys? How are you doing today? So I wanted to teach you guys. I have a lot of followers that are trying to start channels, but all they have is a phone. Like myself, everything I've started has been on a phone. I want to show you guys some accessories that might be valuable to you when starting just using your phone, and also show you some software you could use to edit your videos all from your phone, just applications. So let's get started. So you guys know I'm big about just starting as soon as you can. Don't wait till you have the next thing, because you could always wait for the next best thing to happen. Start with what you got. So biggest accessory that I'm using right now, 12 bucks. A mobile phone tripod. You guys know what a camera tripod is? This is just a tripod for your mobile phone. So your phone clamps right into this guy, and then you could set it up and film yourself with it. Super easy. Don't waste your time trying to find this in a retail store. I've already hooked you guys up and put a link right in my description. And yeah, have it in your house in like 2 days. You could start filming. And as far as editing videos, I have a computer and I'm editing videos on my computer now. I have an iMac and I'm using Final Cut Pro. But what I started with was iMovie on an iPhone. Completely free, doesn't take up that much space in your phone. You could import your clips directly into it and also add music in the background, make cool cutscenes, and I'll record my phone screen right now and show you how I would do that.
All right, so you pull up iMovie, you hit the little add sign to start a new project, and you're gonna hit movie, and then that's gonna pull up all your clips that you've taken on your phone. So you would choose one, for instance, one of me playing with my dog, hit that, I'll hit create movie, and that's gonna pull up the clip, and I could even add some music on. You hit the little add sign in the left corner here, and then click on audio, and it'll pull up some generic stuff that you could use for free, no copyrights or anything, or you could import your own music to use from artists that you like.
All right, so another thing you might wanna think about getting is just an external mic. Again, it's like $20, it's not expensive. Cameras are like $800, external mics for expensive cameras are a couple more $100. I'll link it right in the description, help you guys out. So the faster you start doing this stuff, faster your channel is gonna grow, the easier it's gonna be for you in the long run, right? So use what you have now. Don't wait till you have a camera, don't wait till you have the next best thing. Just get started today and you'll be a lot more successful in the long run.